They handle various tasks, like it's more like a more specific kind of cleaning. They get more detailed into it, especially because of an event. They have to, if there's trash, they have to go pick up the trash. If there's a spill, they have to go pick up the spill, clean it up, make sure that it's tidy up and looking clean. Well, more like to help the building or the event look better, to make sure that whatever's going on, like if anything needs to be done, that's why that person is there. They get more of the specific and the detailed of the job done. Um, yeah. Janitorial staff is more like a deep clean, so they get way more into the detailed cleaning. Like a day porter would mainly do stuff in the day, and janitorial staff would do stuff like in the afternoon, kind of like nights, and then that's when they do like bathrooms, offices, all that kind of stuff. And then a day porter, they just normally like go make sure they restock things, they clean this, or they go pick up this. It's more, easier, I guess.